Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. Today I will show you how to crochet the double crochet stitch. Start with a chain and you will need 3 extra chains to the number of stitches you want. So if you want 10 double crochet, then you will need 13 stitches. And we will start by yarning over and then inserting the hook into the 5th chain from the hook. So from the hook, come backwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into that 5th chain, insert your hook. Then yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over again and pull through the last 2. And this is your double crochet stitch. Let me show you again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over again, pull up a loop, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, you'll have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. And now I will show you how to continue with your second row. Now that we finished the first row, turn and we will make the first double crochet, which usually is a chain 3. This will give height so you can continue with the other stitches. So this first chain 3 counts as a double crochet. That means we will not be crocheting into that very first stitch. So now let's make another double crochet, yarn over. Like I said, skip that very first stitch because you've made this chain 3, and into the second, insert your hook under the 2 loops. Now yarn over, pull up a loop, and again we'll have 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and this is your double crochet. I'll show you one more. Yarn over, insert your hook under the 2 loops of the stitch below, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you make a double crochet stitch.